Hello to all and welcome to this series of conditional formatting. This is the second part on conditional formatting. So in the first part we have gone through the highlighting cell rules, all these functions, and in this video we will be looking to the functions top bottom rules, data bars, color scales, icon sets. So these are the four functions which we are going to look today. So the first topic today is top bottom rules. So as the basic rule of conditional formatting is to select the data first. So if you want to select the entire list of this data till bottom, then you can press on the first button and press Ctrl Shift and down arrow key. You will select your entire data will be selected in that particular column. So now go to the conditional formatting, go to top bottom rules, and the first thing we are going to look at top 10 items section. So click here. So a window pops up. You can see here number. The header says format cell that rank in the top. So I want this window will highlight those many numbers which are put here. If I put 5, then it will highlight top 5 values in the cells. I can also increase from here, from the bar. I can decrease and keep increasing. You can see the numbers of colored cells are increasing. I can change the color. I want yellow. So I want only 6 tops 3. So I can have top 3. These are my top 3 cells and press OK. Now the next topic, and this is top 10%. If I want top 10%, then I can go from here. So before going here, we need to remove the condition which we have applied earlier. So to remove the condition, we need to go to cell rules, select that rule and click on delete rules. Okay, I think I clicked somewhere else. Select the rules and delete rules and click on apply. Okay, you can see the rules is removed. So now moving to the next part. This is top 10%. This one will highlight 10%, which is the highest 10%. So if you can increase here 20. So the rule which it follows is it will count the number of cells which has the value. My data has 13 cells with the values and I have selected 13 cells. So from that 13 it will take 20%. So it's 2 here. If I make it 50, then it should select at least 6. So it has selected 7. Not a problem. You can change the color here. I want top 10%. This is how it is at 10% for me. So let's remove this rule once we have seen this, so that we can delete, apply, and click on OK. Moving to the next one, that is bottom 10%. It's similar to the first one. It will highlight all those who are ranking from bottom, means the least cells, who has done the least cells. This is my person. This is the lowest value in the sales, 75 rupees. So you can increase, and as you know, you can change the color complexion here. So that's it. Now let's do it. Cancel. If you want to apply, then you can click OK or you can press cancel. Moving to the next topic, that is bottom 10%. It's similar to the top 10%. Let's see this. It is similar how it works. Top 10, this also works similar to this. You can highlight this. Next function to look is let's select the data first. The next function to look is above average. So what it does, click here. So what is the rule behind this above averages? It will add all the sales and then it will divide it by the number of sales, and then it will whichever the sales falls above the average, it will highlight them. So you can change the color here if you want. So if you want to make the changes for permanently, then click OK, or you can click cancel. This is how above average works. So the next function is below average. This also works the same way as the above average works. The calculation is same, but the difference is it highlights the below average sales here. The rest of the things are same. And now, so I think we are done with this. Now moving to the data bar. Next topic in this video is data bars. So let's first select our data, and we have selected our range by pressing Ctrl Shift down arrow key on the first value, and go to the conditional formatting, data bars, and selecting grid fills and solid fills. There are two parts, gradient fill and solid fill. These two does the same job. There is no difference in these three and this, including all this. The only difference is they have different color, but the function they do the same. Let's check one. So what it does, it calculates all the values here and it fills the length of the cell as per the value present on the cell. The highest value will have the entire cell filled, and so on. It will keep decreasing the filling space. If you see, it calculates, as you can see, width of this cell is 8.11 inches or 80 pixels. So it works as if I increase here, if I put here greater than 405 value anyway, for example, let me put here on the lowest one, let's put 500. It will fill the entire cell, this cell, that is C8, because its highest value. Let's press enter. You can see it has filled this one and it has decreased this value. The filling is less than the previous one. So this is what it does. It fills the values or the cell as per the value present on the range. This is the function of data bar. All this does the same work. If we highlight and check other, all of them does the same work. So you can see no difference in any of them. So this is all in the data bar. The next function to study in this video is color scales. So first let's select our range and then go to the conditional formatting, color scales, and all of them work in a similar fashion. The difference is they have different colors to code. Let's select one of them and then as you can see, it has aligned few colors to this. So how it works is this the conditional formatting will check the highest value and the lowest value, and then it will make three parts of this range, and it will, the first part or the top part will have green color, and the middle part will have yellow color, and the lower part will have red color as per the values. So in the top part, green color, if the top part highest value will have dark green, and the lowest number in the top part will have light green color. In the second part, that is yellow color, the highest value will have dark yellow, and the lower value will have light yellow, and same goes for the third part, that is red. The highest value in the lower part will have dark red, and the lower value will have a light red. All these functions, all the other functions in the color scale works the same. The difference is it will assign different colors to the different numbers. Let's select the range and let me show you. It will, all of them will just assign different colors, but the pattern of working of these are same. So that's all in color scales. The last topic in this video is conditional formatting icon sets. So let's go and have a look. First of all, we'll select our range, then go to the icon sets. Similar to data bar and color scales, this also works on the same principle. If we look to the first one, the first one is whichever the value is, it will divide the entire range into three parts, and then it will assign the highest values the up arrow key, that is green. The second middle region, which has the medium number of values, will have yellow, and the lowest ranges will have red. They all work in the same fashion. Let's increase the width of this, and now let's see this icon. As you can see, all this, whether it's arrow direction, all the direction works in same way. This has one extra, which has it will divide the entire range into four parts, and then it will assign the arrow similarly. Coming to the shapes will also work in the same fashion. The highest values will have green, the middle values will have yellow, and the bottom will have red. Same goes with all this color shapes, and same goes with indicators. The highest values will have a tick sign, and the middle will have exclamation mark, and the lowest will have cross. Same with this tree and stars and rating as well, the towers and all. This all works in the same fashion. So let's apply one of them, and let's apply this one. So as you can see, the highest will have triangle pointing towards up, the middle will have a dash, bold dash, and the lower will have the lower section will have the triangle pointing towards down. This is how conditional formatting icon sets work. So that's all in conditional formatting part 2. Have a pleasant time, enjoy, do subscribe, like, share and comment, and do put any request if you have in the comment section. I will work on that, and I will upload the video for you. Thank you.